Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Puri Nick, and what's going on the market? Bitcoin almost get 5% correction today and is still holding the $65,000 support. At the same time, Ethereum also back to $3,300. So let's jump to the chart and see what's going on the market. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can see many times Bitcoin trying to pass in the $72,000, but we get a rejection from this zone. At the time as I'm recording, Bitcoin is still holding the $65,000 support, but I'm not going to be surprising if Bitcoin back again to this zone around $63,000. Or I'm not going to be surprising if Bitcoin back again to $59,500, which is that 5th of March 2024, Bitcoin already back to this price, and we get the quickly pump after that. So I'm not going to be surprising if Bitcoin back again to $59,500, and I'm thinking probably on this zone going to be more buyer. If Bitcoin back again to this zone, at the same time, we still have a support around $63,000, and maybe we can get the bounce back again around $63,000. On the long term, I'm still bullish on the market, and to be honest with you, my friend, if Bitcoin back again to this zone around $59,500, I can say this is going to be very healthy correction, and we are already looking for a higher price in the future. And we have to remember we have a less than a month for a halving, and maybe Bitcoin a little bit calm down, and maybe we get back again to this zone around $63,000 or $59,500. I'm not thinking we're going to be breaking the $59,500 at the time. I'm thinking if Bitcoin back again to this zone, probably going to be good buy, and this buy is maybe shooting the Bitcoin back again above $70,000. MACD on the daily time frame, we can see the histogram is changing to the red color, and we don't see any cross at the moment. But as I said, a possibility Bitcoin to come back around $63,000, and we get the buy back from this zone. On the weekly time frame, we don't see any cross, and histogram still can continue to be green. I have to very especially alarm, because if Bitcoin on the weekly time frame breaking the 59,500, very possible to come around mid 50 or even $50,000, and we can see the mid band of the BB on the weekly time frame is standing exactly around $51,000. So this is going to be very important. I mean, $60,000 is going to be very important for a Bitcoin, and possible from here we get the quickly buy or pump back again, and we still continue in this zone. But at the same time, as I say, if we be breaking the $59,500, is going to be a little bit danger for a Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin breaking the $60,000, possible, very possible to Bitcoin to come back around mid 50 or $50,000. Still, this zone is going to be very good opportunity around $50,000 to $50,000 to $55,000 if Bitcoin breaking down. But right now, still, we hold in the $55,000, and we have a $63,000 support, and we have a golden support around $60,000, and we don't see any cross even in the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, still I'm more bullish than a bearish on the longer time, but I'm already setting some of my trade around this zone. That's why I'm sharing with you, because I'm going to be buying around this zone around $50,000. If Bitcoin back again, for sure I'm going to be all in again to the market. But I have to wait a little bit, because we have a still major support around $59,500. So let's check the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on the 4-hour time frame. We can see Bitcoin already trying many times to pass in the $72,000. As I said on the previous video, Bitcoin holding $70,000 and a major support around $65,000. But right now, possible for a Bitcoin a little bit come more down, and we can see also on the 4-hour time frame, mid band is standing around $69,000. If we want to see the bullish on the Bitcoin, we have to see the Bitcoin back again to $69,000 and hold the support around $69,000. I'm not going to be surprising also if Bitcoin is ping pong on this zone between the $65,000 and the top around $66,000 on the lower time frame. But as I said, if we be breaking down, we have a strong support around $63,000, and if we be breaking the $63,000, I'm not going to be surprising to see $59,500 again on the Bitcoin. So let's jump to Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily time frame is still holding the $3,300 support, and we can see mid band is around $3,500, and we get the especially rejection today from mid band, and we can see anytime we are in below the mid band, we can respect into the low band, and we can see the low band is standing around $3,200 support, but Ethereum is still holding $3,300 support. And if we break in the $3,300 support, possible to Ethereum back again to $3,050. MACD on the daily time frame, we can see the histogram is changing the color, and we don't see any cross. And if Ethereum holding the $3,300 support, we can see the sideways action, and possible for tomorrow probably maybe we can see some changes. If we be checking the lower time frame, if we be checking the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame also is still holding the support. Mid band of the BB is standing is still around 3,528, and as I said, if Ethereum holding this support, possible for a ping pong on this zone as soon as they break the 3,560 or breaking the $3,300. And right now I thinking probably we can see the sideways action, and I'm not going to be surprising if I see the Ethereum back again to $3,000 range. So this is all about today, my friend. Hoping my view from the chart is helping you, and we have to remember halving coming very soon, and we have to take care of our asset. So don't lose it to the trade, and always remember, if you're waiting a little bit, you can have a better trade and you can increase in your asset. So thank you very much to watching my video, and thank you very much to supporting my channel. All the best for you, my friend, and see you on the next video.